Hello, welcome back again. Let's continue our lesson on compound percentage. We're going to talk about reverse compound percentage. Mineko invests some money in a bank that pays 4.5% per annum. What is the smallest amount that she invests in order to be worth 6,000 by the end of 3 years? So here we are trying to figure out the minimum amount that should be invested such that if the bank pays 4.5% every year, by the end of the 3 years, you should have £6,000. So since the interest is 4.5%, it's an increment, let's form the multiplier. 100% plus 4.5%, 104.5%. So we always divide by 100, so that's our multiplier. Now, we don't know how much to invest at the moment, so we are looking for the minimum amount times the multiplier to the power 3. We should end up with 6,000. So that's what we are looking for. Now, if you remember, when we're talking about reverse percentage and the normal increase or decrease percentage using the multiplier, when it's a reverse percentage, we just divide the given amount by the multiplier. So it's the same principle here. To work out the minimum amount, we need to divide both sides by the multiplier with the year inclusive. So we end up dividing 6,000 by 1.045 all to the power 3. That's why it's called reverse. We are looking for the original or initial investment. And that will give us 5,257.78. So whenever the question suggests going back to the initial value, initial amount, initial number, everything that goes to the original is always a reverse. Make sure you divide whatever is given to you by the multiplier. And if it's a compounding, divide by the multiplier with the years inclusive. So that's our answer for this one. Second example, the value of a car depreciates by 6% every year. At the end of the 7th year, the car is worth 5,500. How much was the original value of the car? So here we are looking for the original value, which we don't know yet. But because every year is going to decrease by 6%, our multiplier will be 100 minus 6%, 94%, divided by 100, so we have a multiplier of 0.94. The original value that we don't know, if we times it by the multiplier of 0.94 to the power 7, the car value is now 5,500. So that's what we have. We are looking for the original value now. So to get the original value, we need to divide 5,500 by the multiplier with the years inclusive. So this is what we have. So the original value is 5,500 divided by 0.94 to the power 7, and the calculator works that out for you, and you have 8,481 pounds 40p. So that was the initial value of the car, and if it keeps falling by 6% every year, by the 7th year this will be the value of the car. So note, when it's reverse, it's always divided by the multiplier with the number of years inclusive. So this is what we call compound percentage in a reverse form. So our next 2 slides will be talking about typical exam style problem solving question on compound percentage.